Okay, right now we will solve quick sorting. So we will do a procedure how to solve this, and papakita po natin, magbigay tayo ng example para mas maunawaan natin. So quick sorting. So example, we have ito po example natin. We have this number 8, 4, 7, 1, and 3. So this is our given number. So step by step natin siyang isasagutan. So step 1, we need to choose pivot. So we will use the last statement, which is number 3. Ito po yung ating last statement. So our last statement is number 3. So step 2, what we will do is what we call partition around pivot, which is yung number 3. Up. So we will compare each elements with number 3, our pivot. We will compare. So 8, which is ito, is greater than 3. So no swap dahil nga siya papunta siya dito, and tama na naman siya. So greater than talaga siya. So next is 4 is greater than 3, is no swap also. 7 is greater than 3, no swap also. Okay, kita niyo po ba? Next is 1 is less than 3. So dito is we need to swap this with 8. So ito yung magiging result niya. Solve 1, 4, 7, 8, and 3. So ito yung magiging result ng ating pag-compare sa bawat elements. Next is now swap pivot number 3 with the first elements greater than 8, 4. So we need to swap this. So this is now, okay, swap pivot 3 with first elements greater than it. So number 4, that is number 4. So we need to swap this. So the result is 1, 3, 7, 8, and 4. That is the result po. So next is pivot 3. So yung kanina pivot 3 is now our index 1. So that is our index 1. So yung number 3. So what will happen in step 3 is, okay, let's go. Step 3. Steps 3. This is what we call the recursively sort. Left 1. So yung 1 po. Then right 7, 8 and 4. So yung left one already sorted. Left one already sorted. So right 7, 8, 4 and pivot 4. So now dahil nga yung 1 is already sorted na kanina, ang matitira na lamang po ay yung 7, 8 and 4. Dahil ito yun. Ito yung dalawang to, ito na yung nasa index natin. Number 3 is our first index and number 2 is our second index. And next now is sorry. Number 3 is our first index and also kasama niya number 1. Number 1 is our zero indexed. Let's go. Now what we do is we choose again our pivot. So our pivot is number 4, which is this is our pivot. Now we need to compare this. Compare 7 is greater than 4, so no swap. 8 is greater than 4, also no swap. Now we need to swap. Now we need to swap pivot 4 with 7. So what we do is isa-swap po natin tong 4 to 7. So ang magiging result po niyan ay dahil nalipat si 4 sa unahan, si number 1 sa unahan. So 4, 8 and 7. So this is the result. So that is the result. So pivot number 4 is now at the index. So pivot number 4 is now at index 2. So now we need to go in step 4. This is what we call recursively sort, which is yung natitira kanina 8 and 7. So yung natitira kanina dahil nga si number 4 is our number 2 index, maalis na siya at ang matitira na lamang ay ang 8 and 7. So gaya ng procedure kanina, we need to choose our pivot. So our pivot is number 7, which is yung last. So what we do now is compare. 8 is greater than 7, so no swap. So kung less than po ito, maaari po itong mag-swap. So magiging 7 to and ito. Dahil nga silang dalawa na lamang, wala ding choice. Isa-swap din po sila. So we need to swap pivot 7 with 8. So the result is 7, 8. So that is the result. Now our final answer is this. Also, number 1 is our index 0. So number 1 is our index 0 kanina. Number 3 is our index 1. So okay, number 3 is our index 2. Okay, so and gaya ng result dito, ilalagay natin siya dito. So this is our result. So this is a quick sort. Okay, now we will do a merge sort. So we will do a merge sort. So we will do a procedure, example, and how to solve this. So our example is we have a ARR 8. This is our given. 4, 7, and 11. No, 1. So that is our given. So step by step guide how to solve this merge sort. Step 1. Divide the array. So split until each part has one element. So we need to divide this. So what we will do is this: 8, it is our given, 4, 7, and 1. So we will divide this, or we will split this into 2, like this, 8 and 4. So and we and 7 and 1 and 1. So what we will do now is we will split this. So it is easy lang naman sa step 1. 8, 4, split natin siya, and 7, and 1. So yan, na-split na natin siya. Kung nakikita nyo kanina na nasa isang buong column siya, right now kakahiwalay na sila. So now we have 8. Yan, lagyan natin na ito. 4, 7, and 1. So we have this. So step 2, we will go to step 2, which is what we call merge and sort. Alright, okay. Right now we will merge. We will do is merge. Merge 8 and 4. So dito ang gagawin po natin ay i-compare natin yung 2, yung ito, and yung ito. We will compare this, and gagawin natin unahan yung maliit na number, and magiging hulihan or magiging nasa dulo yung malaking number. So parang i-order lang natin siya. Compare. Let's go. Compare. Now we have a 8 versus or 4. It take 4, then 8. So magiging 4 and 8 na po siya. So kung napapansin mo natin kanina na ito, ganito siya, bigla siyang nalipat sa ganito po. Okay, let's go. So ganon din siya sa number 2. We will merge din dito sa kabila na 7. We will merge 7 and 1 into 1 and 7. So this is okay, let's go. Yan, we will merge there. So gaya ng kanina, we will compare 7 and 1, and I take gaya ng nakasulat 1, and then 7. So, now, we will do, pupunta na tayo sa ating final step, which is what we call final merge. So, itong merge, medyo madali lang po siya. So, what we'll do is merge 4 and 8 and 1 and 7. So, what we will do right now is we will compare this. Kaya ng but this ito po unique na po ang pag-compare. Mas updated na yung mas detailed na yung pag-compared po dito. So, ito 4 versus or compared 1. So, gaya ng kanina, kukunin natin yung maliit. So, it take 1. 4. So, dito po i-organize natin siya yung number. 7 is 4. So, yan. 4 and 1, 4 and 7. And now, let's go sa 8 and 7 versus 7 and it take 7 and the last is 8 and 1. So ito na po yung last nya, magiging ito yung 8. So remaining, dahil ito na lang natitira, ito'y pinakadulo, yung 8 takes our 8. Now our final answer is 1, 4, 7 and 8. So this is our final answer in merge sort. So that's all, and thank you. Now we will solve, or we will do selection sort. So first, what is selection sort? Selection sort is a simple comparison-based sorting algorithm. It works by repeatedly selecting and smallest or largest elements from the unsorted portion and moving it to the beginning or the end of the sorted portion. So, in selection sort, we will organize the number. So, we will do a example para mas malinaw. So, example. Wait lang. Lagyan natin ng selection sort. Selection sort. Okay, yan. Now, example. This is our example. We have a 29, okay, 10, 14, 37, okay, and 13. So we have that number. So we will do a step by step to get the answer or our final answer. So first, step 1, we need to find the smallest element from index 0 to the end. So, we need to find kung ano yung pinakamababang number dito. What is the smallest number sa mga ito? Now, the smallest number is number 10. Wait lang. Find the smallest element from 0 to end. Now, the smallest number is 10. So, we have a 10. So, we will do yung 10 ay ililipat natin sa unahan. So, magkakaroon ng swap between 29 and 10. Magkakaroon ng swap between 29 and 10. Why? Bakit si 29? Because si 29 siya yung nandito sa unahan. So we will swap this, yung dalawang ito. So the result is ito na, 10, 29, 14, 37, and 13. 14, 37, 13. Next. So, step 2, we need to move to index 1. So, first, hahanapin natin, we need to find the smallest from the index 1. Step 3 pala. Step 4, we need to move to index. Okay. Okay, so step 2, we need to move to index 1. Okay. So kanina nag-start tayo sa index 0. Now, we will start in index 1. And next is sa index 1 na naman. So, gaya ng una, we need to find from the index 1 to the end yung smallest number. So, ano yung smallest number dito? Ano yung smallest number dito? Yung second, the smallest number. So, it is 13. Step 2. 13 yung smallest number natin. Second smallest number. So, we have smallest. So, we have 13. So, what we do is isa-swap natin itong 13 dito sa 29. So, magkakaroon tayo ng result na 10, 13, 14, 37, and 29. So, dahil si 13 ay mula dito sa dulo, ililipat siya ngayon dito sa tabi ni 10 at si 29 naman ililipat dito sa dulo. So, our result now is this for our step 2. So, step 3. Step 3 na tayo, guys. Step 3. Gaya ng sa una, we need to find again the smallest number, which is the smallest number. Madali lang dito. Ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat ng sorting. So, the smallest number is, third smallest number is 14. Yung 14 yung pangatlong smallest number. So, now dahil si 14 ay nandito na, wala na pong swap na mangyayari. Kaya ito po ang ating sagot pa rin sa step 3 natin. Now, sa ating fourth step, we will find, so kanina, sa umpisa, hinanap natin yung index 0, next, index 1, next, index 2, now we will find the index 3. We will find the index 3. Now, find the smallest from the index 3. So, hanapin natin yung pangatlong pinakamaliit. Dito. What is yung pangatlong pinakamaliit? Which is yung 29. So, 29 yung pinakamaliit. So, the result, gaya ng process kanina, isuswap yung dalawang ito. Dahil nga, ayan yung result. So, the result is 10, 13, 14, 29, and 37. So this is our answer dahil na-organize na po siya. This is our answer. Meron tayong 10, 13, 14, 29, and 37. So that is. So now we will solve or we'll do a heap sort. We will do a heap sort po. So first, what is heap sort? Heap sort is a method of sorting number by using a special tree structure called a heap. Think of a heap like a pyramid where the biggest number is always on the top, called the max heap. So, yung max number, yung pinakamataas na number, laging nandun sa dulo or nasa unahan. Now, we will do a step by step na solving paano magawa to para manawa natin. Now, example, we have a 4, 10, 3, 5, and 1. So this is our example given. So, step 1, we need to build a max heap. We need to build a max heap. So dito, make the biggest number go to the top of the pyramid. So we will i-organize natin ito. So ang una ay ang pinakamalaking number, which is ang 10 naman. Iayusin natin siya. Next ay ang 5, yun ang pangalawang pinakamalaking number. 3, 4, and ang dulo ay ang 1. So that is. Step 2, we need to swap and shrink. Ito yung step 2 ay tinatawag na swap and shrink. Swap and shrink. So now we do this, ulit-ulitin lang natin ito para makuha natin yung final answer natin. So okay, let's go. So we have ito yung given natin. Ito yung natin, yung sagot natin sa step 2. So now we need to first, we need to swap the top biggest with the last item. So i-swap natin ito dito sa last item. So ito yung sagot natin. 1, 5, 3, 4, and 10. So dahil sa ito ay sinwap natin, ito ang naging result natin. So we need to next fixing the heap. So we need to fix this heap. The heap. We need to fix this heap. Okay, what we will do is itatabi natin itong 1 dito sa 10, and then so aayos natin siya na ma-organize yung number na simula sa, hindi na po kasama yung 10 si para invisible na yan. So kasi yan na yung natin dyan sa dulong answer natin. So simula sa pinakamalaki dito sa apat na ito hanggang sa pinakamababa. So ito ang sagot niyan. 5, 4, 3, 1, and 10. So yan na po ang sagot natin dyan. So first. Second, swap top with second and last. So we need to swap the top with second last. We need to swap the top with second top last. So dahil nga sa invisible na ito ang swap natin dalawa. Yan. So what is our answer now? Ito ang ating answer. Oh, no. 1, okay, 4, 3, and 5, and 10. So that is our answer. Okay, naintindihan po ba? So next we will do a fixing hip. So we fix this hip. We will fix this hip po. So ano po ang gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin ay dahil sa i-organize nga na, dahil sa nga sa ito na yung answer natin sa dulo. Ang gagawin natin is swap natin si 1 sa 4. So ito ang ating answer. Fix 4, 1, 3, and 5, and 10. So that is yun po yung pag-fix ng hip. So ito yung 4, nandito na yung 4, and yung 1 nandito, and stay lang yung tatlong dito, yung tatlo yan dyan. And next we will sa number 3, swap top with the last, with the third last. So what is the third last? Ito pong 3, isuswap natin siya dito sa number 4. So swap natin po siya. So ang sagot ay 3, 1, 4, 5, and 10. That is the answer. So next, fix hip. Unti-unti natin yan hanggang sa maano yung lahat po. Fix hip. So we will fix this hip. So dahil sa okay na naman siya, naka-organize na naman siya. Ito na yung answer. Ito yung din yung kinalabasan yan. Okay, pansin niyo po ba? And next, ito na yung babaguhin natin. Last. Yan. Swap natin yung fourth sa last. So, ito na yung answer yan. 3, 4, 5, and 10. So, this is our answer. That's all. Thank you and thank you.